We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our
Hi guys, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to make this elegant and fancy looking bun that you can do in 2 minutes. So begin with brushing our hair first, and then we want to select our 2 sections from both sides from our parting, and then wrapping the braids we want to make a ponytail. I'll use a clear elastic, but you can use any type of hair elastic that you like. On last time, make sure to pull your hair only through creating the small bun, and then you want to wrap around the elastic ends of our hair and tuck it into the elastic underneath, as I am always doing. Then you want to stretch the ends like I'm showing and pin it in place. You can use some hairspray to fix this fancy bun in place, of course. And then you want to grab one of the front sections. You want to bring it backwards and over our bun, and then you want to tuck it into the underneath the bun into the elastic the end. You want to pin it in place the hair when you feel that you need, like I do here, and then you want to repeat the second section from the front as well. Of course, you want to use some hairspray to fix this beauty in place. I decided to use some DIY grip pearls. If you want me to make a tutorial on these grips, make sure to ask me in comments down below, because if you need, I'll do it. And they're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. Just give it a like. Tell me in comments down below what you think about it. Also, you can make sure to subscribe, and see you soon in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.
dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, light.